Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. In the given figure, EADF is a rectangle and ABC is a triangle whose vertices lie on the sides of EADF, and AE equals to 22. Okay, A is given as 22, B is 6, CF is 16, and BF equals to 2. So find the length of the line joining the midpoints of the sides AB and BC. So the midpoint of AB, let's say this is midpoint of AB, okay, let's name it G, and the midpoint of BC, so it will be somewhere here, let's name it as H. Okay, so we need to find out the length of GH. Okay, so now if you see, we have only one relation through which we can find out the length of GH. So GH is only related to AC. So because this G is a midpoint of AB and H is a midpoint of BC, so by that rule, triangle BHG will be similar to triangle BCA, right? Because if these are midpoints, these two lines will be parallel. Okay, so if they are parallel, this angle will be same, this angle will be same, this angle is same, hence these two triangles are similar. So now we know for similar triangles, okay, so because BHG and BCA are similar, we can write HG by CA will be equals to BG by BA. Okay, because these two triangles are similar, the ratio of their sides will also be same. Okay, so now we know BG is exactly half of BA, right? This is given in the question. So BG by BA is half. Okay, we need to find out length of GH. So now to find out the length of GH, what we need? We just need the length of AC. Okay, so let's see what is AC. So if you see, because this is a rectangle, ADFE is a rectangle, so this angle will be 90 degree. Okay, and if this angle is 90 degree, triangle ADC is a right angle triangle. Okay, so AC is a hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, and AD, because this is given as 6 and 2, AD will be 8 because this is the rectangle, opposite sides will be equal. Okay, this is 8, and entire AE is 22 and FC is 16. Okay, so CD will be 6, right? So from this right angle triangle, triangle ADC, we can write AC square will be AD square plus CA square. So AD square is 8 square plus 6 square. Okay, so from here we see AC will be 10. Okay, so if AC is 10, then HG will be half of 10 or 5. So length of GH will be 5 units. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.